the sleeping town. A shining star comes floating down, guiding hearts both near and far. Follow love's own Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star, so bright. Guide us through the silent night. Fill the world with peace and care. Let your light be everywhere. From humble homes to palaces wide, the star of hope will never hide. Through darkest skies it finds the way to hearts that need its light today. When days are cold and shadows fall, that star still shines for one and all. A symbol pure of who we are, forever bright our Christmas star.